Hello everyone, this video is about navigation function of CNKI's new platform. Navigation narrows down the search range and provides quick access to information. Classification navigation, namely 10 series navigation, applies to all products. Besides, there are navigation methods of journal, monographic series, degree awarding unit, conference, newspaper, and yearbook. Now, I will give you some introductions about how to use those navigation methods. First is classification navigation. Click either product to enter the corresponding single database. Classification navigation is on the left side of the page. It classifies resources into 10 series and 168 disciplines based on subject categories. Click plus or minus sign to expand or close special disciplines or sub-disciplines under the series. Journal navigation page is composed by 3 parts. On the left side, journals can be navigated by subject, database of the source, sponsor, publication periodicity, publication place, and a core journal. On the top of the right side, journals can be navigated by all journals, academic journals, online first journals, exclusive published journals, and century journals projects. At the bottom part lays the introduction of the product and the journal recommendation. The number of the journal articles included has been updated daily. Now, let's check the navigation methods mentioned in this part one by one. Subject navigation, namely 10 series navigation. The number followed by each series represents the journal number under the series. Move mouse over it to display all sub-disciplines under the series. Click the discipline name to check all journals under the discipline. Database navigation of journal source classifies journals based on the databases or indexes abroad they are included in, such as chemical abstract, science abstract, and etc. Sponsor navigation classifies journals by sponsors like publishing houses, universities, research institutes, and societies. Publication periodicity navigation classifies journals by their publishing frequency. Publication place navigation classifies journals according to their publication area and publication province, such as journals on the North China includes journals published in Beijing. Core journal navigation. Core journals are classified according to a Guide to the Core Journals of China 2018 edition and only included journals collected by this guide. Monographic series navigation page is divided into 2 parts. The left part includes subject navigation, core journal navigation, and sponsor navigation. The right part includes product introduction and recommendation. For subject navigation, please refer to 10 series navigation. Core journal navigation classifies journals according to CSSCI source journals for 2017 to 2018. Sponsor navigation classifies journals by sponsors like colleges and universities, research institutions, government institutions, and etc. Degree awarding unit navigation page is divided into 3 parts. On the left part, there are region navigation and discipline navigation. On the top of the right part, there are labels of navigation methods, including OR, Doctor, and Master. Under it lays the introduction and related recommendation of degree awarding units. Let's check about region navigation and discipline navigation. Region navigation classifies degree awarding units according to regions and nations. Under the region navigation, degree awarding units can be navigated by province, like South China, Hainan Province, etc. Discipline navigation. Literature included in this part are classified into first-class disciplines and second-class disciplines. Like under the first-class discipline of philosophy, there are philosophy of Marxism, Chinese philosophy, foreign philosophies, logic, etc. Now, let's get to conference navigation page. On the left side of this page, there are navigations on the proceedings, conferences, and the sponsor. On the top right side of the page, conferences are classified into domestic and international according to their places they were held. Under it is the introduction of the product, as well as the recommendation of the conference proceedings. Newspaper navigation page includes newspaper level navigation and publication periodicity navigation. On the right side, it includes the introduction and some newspaper recommendations. Publication source navigation method defaults to subject navigation. It is a navigation method shared by all databases.